At Tati Software, we are more than just a dev house. We are technology partners. Tati Software was founded in October of 2017. The very first app that I built was a mobile application that was a crypto wallet, something that I needed for myself. So in essence, I was Tati Software's very first client. I loved building it, and I thought to myself, wow, I can turn this passion into a business. From that very first mobile application to what Tati Software is today.
Working at Tati is incredibly meaningful because I get to be a part of a team that genuinely cares.
My experience at Tati Software is being exciting and rewarding. I'm a purpose person. I'm creating a positive workplace for them.
I have been with the team since day one, so it has been an amazing journey seeing the team grow from one person to a team of 10 people.
Being here at Tati has been a real learning curve. I've been exposed to a lot of things. From just the team alone, you get to see people with different skills.
We build a lot of AI applications, yeah. One example of this is Lebo, a business analyst application capable of researching, compiling, and even sending documents to you.
Hi Lebo, my name is Bertha. How are you?
Hi, Bertha. I'm doing well, thank you. It's lovely to meet you. What's on your mind today?
Can you tell me a little bit more about yourself and what you do?
Of course, Bertha. I'm a business analyst at Tati Software, here to help you with software development and AWS cloud hosting projects. I support with planning, architecture, research, costing, and proposal materials. I'm here to partner with you on finding the strongest solutions for your project.
The goal is to make the interaction sort of like easy to maneuver, and how the user would interact with the avatar, sort of like make it an easy product for the user.
My role in the Lebo project was to build the face, the actual 3D model of the face. So what you would be seeing on the screen would be an African lady who represents South African culture. It's not just code that we are doing. Every line that we wrote, we made sure that it has life in it.
Our developers are trying to be all-rounders. We don't separate them only into front ends and back end tools. They are engineers who can build, deliver a full, complete solution.
I'm grateful to be here and for the opportunity to be in this place.
We're more than just developers here. We're engineers, trained, certified, and capable.
We provide solutions for our clients that are fit for purpose and provide them with a competitive advantage within the market.
Lebo is an in-house business analyst, which we will be showcasing at the AWS Summit on the 19th of August. Lebo delivers timeless results through establishing insight from our clients' perspective as to what they need in terms of technological solutions. Be sure to visit our Tati stand, where we will be showcasing our innovative solutions through technology on the 19th of August 2026 at the Kalaga Estate.